Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Am I audible to you all?
Good
Yes,
morning, ma'am.
clearly.
Good,
Good
good morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. A very good morning to all of you.
So again, ma'am, good morning.
Yes, thank you. So, children, as I will start the class now, students are joining late every day after giving several reminders. They don't know what is the class timing. Rihan Vyas was absent for some days in the class. Please join class every day, Vihan Vyas. Viha, turn on your camera, please. Vedi, turn on your
Ma'am,
camera.
my camera is on.
Let me pin you.
Ma'am, I got, ma'am, I
No,
did.
Vedi, your camera is off. And Viha, your camera is also off. Now, this is the last warning I'm giving to the students. After that, I will not give any warning. I will directly remove. Because that day, I've already removed two students from my next class, another class. Now onwards, it was allowed to us that if the child is not keeping the camera on, please remove them from the class. So please, you also follow some of the classrooms, right? Okay. So I start the class. Please take out page number 61 of your textbook. Page number 61. On page number 61, as we were discussing, where is Shivani today?
Ma'am, she is joining. A
Why?
network issue was there, na, so it started just now, so we joined.
Okay. So we, as you all know, that in this chapter we have already started the chapter. This is Jung Sailor chapter. Viha, turn on your camera again, please.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
I'm not saying Vihan, I'm saying Viha. Krishav, sit with your camera on. Krishav, you're 2 minutes late in my class. Next time, take care. Otherwise, you will be removed from the class directly. Not allowed to join the class. Okay, so I am going to start the class now. On page number 61, as you know, we are discussing about the junk sailor. In this, there was a one lady. She had Pragyan 3 minutes late in my class. From next time onwards, late students are not allowed to come in the class. Late students will directly, without bringing to their notice, they will directly will be removed from the class. Dheer Kinsara 3 minutes late in my class. For you students, the entire class is suffering because I'm starting the class late, right? Automatically the entire other students are suffering. And I'm repeating the same thing again and again. 3 4 times I've repeated the same thing. So this chapter, the junk sailor, in this there was a Kiran, the name of the lady was Kiran, and she has started the one kabadi wala shop, and there she is dealing with the waste material, right? So for starting the business, she had taken a loan of how much amount? Who will give me the answer?
Ma'am,
Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Dhwani.
8,000 rupees.
She has taken a loan of rupees 8,000. So you all know how to take a loan, how to pay a interest. This we have already discussed. Yes
Yes.
or no? Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now come on, the two blue parts are given in your textbook on page number 61. Two blue clouds are given. In this, one blue cloud is of Haria. He has taken a loan. And another blue cloud is of Babu. He has also taken a loan.
We have
They
done
have,
this.
let me repeat because I'm revising. Haria has taken 300 rupees. Babu has also taken a loan of 300 rupees. But they have taken a same loan. But when they are paying back money,
Ma'am, which page number?
written on the board. So when they are paying this money back, right? When they are paying back this money, but Haria is paying 51 every month, and for 6 months he is paying. So how much amount Haria is paying Diva Chauhan? 51 multiplied by 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Multiply it, no? Write it like this and multiply it.
Ma'am, I can see the answer.
No, only Diva Chauhan will give me the answer.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, please give me Diva. 6 ones are 6 ones are
6.
and 6 fives are. बच्चा टेबल्स ऐसे लर्न होनी चाहिए कि मैं आपको दिन में भी.
Ma'am, 30.
30. Is my board clearly visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Lovely.
It's no dark, no?
No, ma'am. It's
No, ma'am.
Wait a minute.
It's clear, ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am,
now
Babu pays more. Ma'am, Babu pays more.
Babu. So Haria is paying 306 and Babu is paying 360.
360.
So how much amount of interest Babu is paying?
60 rupees.
Ma'am, 60 rupees.
60 rupees Babu is paying amount of interest.
And
how much amount of interest Haria is paying?
6.
Only 6 rupees.
6 rupees. Ma'am, 6 rupees.
Yes, only 6
Haria is
rupees.
giving 6 rupees.
Now my next question is, please raise your virtual hand if you know the answer. How much more Babu is paying? How much more?
Ma'am,
Hare, yes. How much more Babu is paying compared to Haria?
Ma'am, Babu is 9 more paying.
9 rupees.
Ma'am, can I say
Ma'am,
Jignesh?
Ma'am, can I sit?
Ma'am, Jignesh can.
Jignesh will tell me.
Ma'am, after Jignesh, can I?
Ma'am, 54. Ma'am, 54. Jignesh.
If I have already called the child name, that child will only answer me, bacha. 54.
Yes,
Very
ma'am. 60 minus 6 is equals to 54.
Yes. How much more Babu is paying? Babu is paying more 54 rupees. Okay. So now I'm going to present my screen. I will show you the multiplication properties. Children, if I ask one multiplication property, if any number multiply by 1, raise your virtual hand if you know the answer. Don't give the answer in the chorus. Yes, Krishav. Krishav, listen my question very, very carefully, right? If any number, for example, I say 87, multiply by 1, what will be the answer?
What, ma'am?
87 multiply by 1. Any number multiply by 1 gives you the what?
The same number.
The number itself, the same number. So what will be the answer?
87 also.
87 only. Now when I say 87 multiply by 1, in this you all know the multiplication terms, multiplicand, multiplier and the product. You all know, everyone?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
If I said 87 multiplied by 1 and the answer is 87. So what is this 87? Yes, Pritika.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, multiplier.
No.
Ma'am, can I?
Multiplicand.
Multiplicand. Ma'am,
Multiplicand. Ma'am, 1 is multiplier and 87 is. Ma'am, 87 is different.
Ma'am, product.
Product.
Ma'am, product.
Yes. Yes.
Product.
But when I have a rule in my class that I will call your name, then why you are just turning on your mics and giving me the answers? I have a good rule in the class that please raise your virtual hand. So the 87 is the multiplicand and 1 is the multiplier. Multiplier and 87 is the product. The answer in the multiplication is the product. Got it, everyone? This is clear to you all? Yes or no? Tell me now. To tell me yes or no when I ask. When I don't ask, when I don't call your name, you just turn on your mics and
Yes,
speak.
yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Now I'm going to present my screen. Is my screen coming?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Okay, now listen it properly. Multiplication is just a shorter way of adding a number repeatedly to itself. So, children, if you know that we know that multiplication is a repeated addition. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then if you know addition, then why are we learning multiplication?
Ma'am, to learn it easier,
And ma'am, to learn it faster
to
and
add
easier.
easy.
Yes, to do our calculation easier and faster. Right? Now, in a multiplication sum, there are three different terms which we are using. Multiplicand, the number to be multiplied means 87. Here I have used 87 is to be multiplied, that is why it is called multiplicand. The number by which you multiply, 87 multiplied by 1, so 1 is the multiplier and the answer is the product. The answer is called the product in the multiplication. Now next property, multiplication by 1, as we have already discussed with the Krishna, that 165 multiplied by 1 is 165, the number itself. 477 multiplied by 1 is 477.
May I drink water?
Yes, please. Multiplication by 0. The product of a number and a 0 is the number itself. If we multiply any number by 0, the answer will be the 0. For example, if I say 85 multiplied by 0, the answer will be,
Zero.
students, 0.
Zero.
Yes. So for if it can be any number, when multiplying by 0 give you the 0, and if 0 multiply by any number then also 0. For example, if I say 0 multiply by 9, the answer will be 0. Next is the order property of multiplication. Two numbers can be multiplied in any order, their product will remain the same. This is also the property. For example, if I say 87 multiplied by 1, then you say 87. And if I say 1 multiplied by 87, then also will be 87. If you
Ma'am,
change
there
the
is
order,
water.
no. In my class, no washroom and no water. You have to come prepare in the class picture. Got it, everyone? Got it, Shivani? Yeah, no water, no washroom in my class. If I allow one child, everyone will start asking me. So the order property means if you change the order of the numbers, product will remain the same. For example, if you say 3 multiplied by 5, the answer is 15. And if you say 5 multiplied by 3, then also the product will be same 15. If you change the order of the numbers, the answer will remain the same. For example, if you do 15 multiplied by 25 is 375. And if you do 25 multiplied by 15, then also the 375. Grouping property. If you multiply the numbers in the group, then also the product will come in the same. For example, 4 multiplied by 3 first you will do grouping. That is 12. And 12 multiplied by 7 when you get 84. And now if you change the group, if you say 3 multiplied by 7 first is 21. And if you multiply 21 by 4, then also will be 84. So this was the grouping property and all last. So wait, I will stop the presentation now. So now I'm giving you few sums on the board. Take out your maths classwork notebook. Maths notebook I'm saying. I'm not saying revision notebook. So no revision notebook, your maths classwork notebook, everyone. Write today's date. Write today's date. I am writing the sums of multiplication on the board, which everyone has to write. Let me take the attendance for a minute. Everyone done with the date and chapter number? And write the heading multiplication sums.
The chapter number. We have to write the chapter number.
Yes.
On this we are doing that chapter sums that you have to send you that.
No. Classwork, no need to send. I am going to give you more practice of multiplication in the worksheet that you send me.
Okay, ma'am.
Is the board visible to you all, everyone, clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
It's clearly visible.
Okay. Let me write the numbers, giving you the sums. 584. This is the first sum. 584 multiplied by 46.
Ma'am, your camera is off. Ma'am, your camera is off.
Ma'am, you are stuck.
Hello, ma'am. You are stuck.
Ma'am, and your camera is also off.
Yes, ma'am.
Jignesh, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. But I was saying something.
Yeah, please. Please check the sums which are written on the board and start doing in your notebook. $671 multiplied by 38. Yes, Diva, is this visible to you? Okay. So can I start asking the tables from you all and do this calculations? I start with Vedi. Vedi, 6 multiplied by 4 is?
Yes, ma'am. 6 fours are 24.
So I will write 24 together here, or I will
No,
how I will
ma'am.
write?
4 below and 2 up.
Dheer Kinsara, next. Which number I will multiply next now?
Ma'am, 8 5 8 6 are.
What will be the answer?
Ma'am, 48 plus 2 is 50.
Very good. So I will write 5 here and 0 here.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is Viha. Viha, next what I will multiply?
What, ma'am?
What I will multiply next?
Ma'am,
Your board is low.
ma'am, your board is blur.
Ma'am, your board is coming blurred.
Okay, now let me check. Now
Ma'am,
check.
we are writing in notebook.
We are writing in notebook. Now check, please.
Now it's clear. Ma'am, now we have to multiply 6 with 5. 6 multiplied 5 is 30 and plus 5 is 35. So we have
Ma'am,
to
now
take
also it is blurred. Both is blurred.
Okay, wait a minute. खिड़की खोलना वहां से, खिड़की खोल वो वाले। खिड़की खोलना समझ नहीं आ रहा। Now please check.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, now it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now please tell me, Viha.
Ma'am, your camera is off.
35.
Yes, 6 5 is 30 plus 35. Okay. Now, Shivani, what I will put here?
Ma'am, you'll put 0.
Now, what I will multiply next?
Ma'am, 4 4s
Ma'am,
are.
your camera is off.
Which child is saying camera is blurred?
Ma'am, Krishiv.
Is students, my camera is blurred?
No, ma'am, it's clearly visible.
Ma'am,
Rishabh, log out and log in again.
Ma'am, now you'll do 4 4s are.
4 4s are what?
Ma'am, 16.
So I will write 16 here together.
No.
What I will write?
You'll write 6 down and 1 at the top of 8.
Or the top of 8 also we can put, and we can put here also, so that it will be easy. Or you can put at the top of the 8 also. Remove these and you can put here. 4 4s are 16. So 1 will be here and the 6 will be here. Okay. Next, Rehan Vyas.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, what we will multiply? Please mute your mic, Shivani. Rehan, which number we will multiply next?
Next we will
Shivani told 4 4s are 16. Now next, which will number you will?
16. 4 extra. 32.
42.
32.
32 plus something will be added here.
32 plus 1. 33.
So how, where I will write 1 3 here and the another 3 will go where?
1 3 will be down and 1 3 will be at carry forward at 5.
Very good. Next child, Arth Gujarati. Next number, which number we will multiply?
yes, ma'am.
Tell me which number we will multiply next. Arush has written in the chat box, but I am asking which number we will multiply
Ma'am,
next.
5 4s are.
What is 5 4?
Ma'am, 20.
So how I will write? I will write 0 here and 2 somewhere else.
Yes, ma'am. 2 in your up, 0 in your down.
कहाँ पे अप जाएगा? किसी और नंबर पे अप जाएगा? Because the number is only 584.
No, ma'am.
So
Ma'am, 20 in your down.
yes, 20 only down. Now next, Lakshya, please start adding. What will be the answer now? Please tell me. Four plus 0,
4 plus 0, 4 only.
4 only. 0 plus 6,
0 plus 6, 6.
5 plus 3,
5 plus 3, 8.
3 plus 0.
3 plus 0, 3 only.
And this will come
0.
0 here.
No, ma'am. 2. 2.
True. So please, students, check your answer. Is this answer
No,
right?
ma'am, it is wrong.
Let me check the answer. Wait a minute. Students, please check. 584 multiplied by 46. Yeah, somewhere wrong. It is
Ma'am,
somewhere
you
wrong.
have written 20360.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's 23660 is 23.
Ma'am, you have not added the 3. Ma'am, you have not
No,
added
that is 26864.
Let me check first. 584 multiplied by 6 is 3504. Then we have done 584 multiplied by 4 is 233. Here it's come. Yeah, we have not added 3. Now it will come 6 here. Now it is your answer. Please check.
Ma'am, can you give the next sum because I have done
It's
the
already
second.
given. The B sum is already given.
I have done B.
Okay.
And third question.
Yeah, I will write the third and fourth also. Please give me the answer of second. What is
Ma'am,
the answer of second? Yes,
And the
Dhwani.
second answer is
Ma'am, only
ma'am 2,54,000.
Writing now.
25,498.
Ma'am, writing first one. Yeah, ma'am, writing first one.
Writing first only. Which child is this?
Ma'am, Arush.
Arush. My dear, then you will not able to complete even the 2 sums in the class. Be little fast.
Okay.
Mute your mic. The third sum is now 807 multiplied by 54. And the fourth sum is 943 multiplied by 27. These are the 4 sums for
Ma'am,
you.
your screen is little bit blur.
It will come within seconds. Please check. Please check, students. Is it blur?
No, ma'am, it's clear.
Yes. So the third sum is 807 multiplied by 54 and the fourth sum is 943 multiplied by 27. So the second answer Pritika will give me. Pritika, what is the second answer coming?
Ma'am 25,498.
Let me see. 671 multiplied by 38. No. 473.98 you told.
No, ma'am, she told for 25,498.
Oh, then it's right. 25,498 is the correct answer. Please check whether your multiplication is right or not. Next, Arav Apani. Arav Apani. Start doing the third one. 4 multiplied by 7.
4 multiplied by 7, 28.
So 2 will be here, 8 will be here.
Yes.
Next, Prigyan. 4 multiplied by 0.
Ma'am, what?
4 multiplied by 0.
Ma'am, 0.
And next, what will come? So 4 multiplied by 0 is 0. So 2 will come, no down. Why you are quiet in the class? Arush Miani, next what we will multiply?
Ma'am, I am doing second one.
But I am if asking, you can look here on the board and give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, what number we will multiply next now?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Ready, wait. If he is giving answer, let him give answer. Yes, Ayush.
4 8s are
What is 4 8s?
32.
32. Now 32 I will write here together or I will go to carry over somewhere.
Carry over.
कैरी ओवर कौन सा नंबर दिख रहा है जिसके ऊपर कैरी ओवर लगेगा?
No, ma'am. We have to
So
don't.
be confident in the class. My work is to get you confused, but don't get confused so easy. So it will come 32. 4 8s are 32. Now next, I am writing the fourth sum here so that you can copy down 943 multiplied by 27. There are 4 sums in the classwork only, and the remaining sums I will give you a worksheet based on the multiplication.
Ma'am, you have written 4. It is fifth.
It is fourth sum only from here to here I have copied. Got it, Dhvani?
Ma'am, your
It was
screen
the
was blurred, so I wrote 999 993.
it's 943.
Okay, ma'am. I'm correcting it.
Yes. So now next child will tell me. Astha. Astha. Turn on your camera, please. Astha, you are there in the class, I hope. And children, we are.
Yes, ma'am.
Rishabh, Jignesh, your cameras are off. Moksh Patel, your camera is off. Students, you will be removed, bacha, if you don't sit with your camera on. You will be directly removed. So take care with you, sit with your camera on in the class. Next child will tell me. Astha, please tell me what will be the next step now. She is not listening. Next child, Laksha Dola. Please tell me what is the next step.
3 plus 7.
3 plus 7. The next step you will not plus. Now still you need to multiply with the 5. Laksha, your half of the time goes like this only. 5 sevens are what?
5 7s are 12.
12.
No, 5 7s
Ma'am, should I say question?
Wait, Krisha, wait. Mute your mic.
Ma'am, can I say I joined it?
Let him speak first.
Ma'am, there will come out 25.
You do one thing today, you will learn the tables till 10, Laksha. It is very much compulsory for you to learn the tables till 10 first. Got it? This is your home task today to learn the tables. Arav Hapani is done. Now next child will give me Shivangani. What we have to multiply now?
Ma'am, now we have to multiply 5 7s are.
What is 5 sevens are?
Ma'am, 25.
Do you also
35.
please learn tables? 35. 5 sevens are 35. So 35 together I will write here, Shivani. Shivangani. 3 will go here and the 5 will come here. Be quick in the answers. Next is
Ma'am, please write 0 in beside it.
5 zeros are 0. So, but 3 which is here carry forward will come down.
Yes, ma'am,
Now
but
will be 5 8s are 40.
ma'am, before 5.
Where, yeah, here I will write 0. And start adding, please, and give me the answer.
Ma'am, can I
Start
give?
adding. Yes, Dhvani, what is the answer?
Yes, ma'am. The third answer is 43,578.
Very good. 43,578. And what is the fourth answer? Who has completed?
Sir, I have completed.
Raise your virtual hand, those who have completed. Hare will tell me. Hare, tell me the last answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, 4 7 there is 28, not 38.
Hmm?
Ma'am, 4 7 there is 28.
Fourth answer.
No, ma'am, it's right. Third one, it's right.
4
Fourth
7
answer.
4 sevens are. That third one, in third one, 4 7 there is 28, not 38.
I have written 28 only. I have not written 38.
And so what you have carry forward? There.
That is the another carry forward which we have done multiplication. वो तो मैंने मिटा दिया था.
Oh.
That is of another 5 sevens are 35 का carry over है. Got it? See.
There is 162.
Your answer is wrong, bacha. Check it again.
And third one is.
What is the fourth answer? Tell me fast. Who
Ma'am,
can
can I
tell me?
tell?
Yes, Vihan Vyas. Vihan Vyas, fast.
2,05,461.
It is 2 lakh.
Sorry. 2,054,600.
No. Your answer is right. That is 25461. Your answer is, but you don't know how to read this number.
Ma'am, can I read?
25,000. Yes, please.
461. 25,461.
Yes.
You write the
25,461. Is the board visible till last to everyone?
No, ma'am, your screen is black.
Ma'am, your screen is black.
Now check.
Yes, ma'am, now it's. Ma'am, can you write the fifth one?
Fifth one is not there. Today 4 questions only. And remaining questions of multiplication I will send you as the homework. Thank you, students.
Excuse me, ma'am, which one you will send in the notebook to write in book?
See, if you